Hello friends, I am Ashok Sanodia and I welcome you back in your own organic gardening channel. Friends, in today's video, we are going to explain you that how we can revitalize our old potting soil for growing new plants. And if you are also willing to understand this easy method, then please see this video till the end for knowing the complete information. So friends, whenever we grow any plant in a container, then due to many reasons, the life cycle of that plant comes to an end. The plant becomes dry and the soil is left in the same container for a long time. And if we reuse this soil without revitalizing process, then there is a high chance that our new plant will not grow properly. So for reusing old potting soil, revitalization is the most important part. And we can do it by following some easy steps which we will now explaining. So in the first step, we need to check the moisture of the old potting soil by feeling process. And if the soil is dry, then we should water it to make it moist. Here remember that we should only water it enough so that soil will get little moisture and not become soggy. Otherwise, we will face difficulty to follow upcoming steps. So just add minimum water on soil surface and leave it for at least half an hour. Now after adding moisture in the soil, we will take out the whole soil from container. For this we will lose it by following the tilling process and take out the whole soil as we are doing here. Now the most important step is that we add something in this infertile soil which can revive it and make it fertile. So here we will use compost which must be at least 30% of the total soil amount. There are so many information available in the internet about the revitalization process of old potting soil, and lots of different things are always recommended by different experts. But this is the cheapest and the most easy way. If we add only compost, then it will quickly increase the organic carbon in the soil, which help to promote growth of microbes for soil conditioning. So we need to take at least 30% compost of total soil amount and mix it with our old potting soil as we are doing here. Now after adding compost, we will arrange it like a pyramid as we are doing here. Now we will take any cotton cloth and cover the whole area of the soil as we are doing here. And at the end we will add moisture on the upper part by sprinkling water on it and left it in the same condition for 24 to 48 hours. And after 1 or 2 days our old potting soil will be ready for reuse. So friends, this was the simplest method to revitalize our old potting soil for growing new plants. I hope this information will help you, and for any further query, please write us in the comments box and we will try to answer you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.